This is the Paxton10 server. One of these is required for every Paxton10 system. Inside the box is the server, the power supply, some simple instructions, and a patch cable for connecting to the network. Simply patch into the network, plug into power, and that's it. On the bottom of the server is a web link. This tells you how to access the server using a web browser. We recommend that you use Google Chrome or Safari for the best experience. Simply open the browser and type in the link shown on the server. On first use, you will be required to install the Web Security Certificate. This is to ensure that all system communication is securely encrypted. There are two options for installing the certificate. 1. Download the certificate and either install manually or give to your network administrators. 2. The simplest option. Download the automatic installer, as we will do here. If you're happy to install the certificate, click Yes. Once done, click the link to continue. When logging into a brand new system, you are required to enter some details about yourself. Ensure that you bookmark the page for future use. On first login, every user will be greeted by the help screen. This shows a range of instructional videos and wizards to help users navigate and use the software. More information is provided about these wizards in the Introduction to the User Interface video. In order to name your system and set the appropriate geographic time zone, navigate to Options, System. You can give your system a name and select your local time zone. If you would like to be able to access the system when not on the local network, simply check the Remote Access checkbox and save. Once done, you will see an alternative web link that you can use to access the system when working remotely. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, have a look at some of our other videos.